Hello and welcome to the FAANG Forex Crypto and Precious Metal Report. Let's get started here. Taking a look at Meta here. Meta had a really strong week. Went to the moon pretty much. Here's the all-time high, which we broke a while ago here. Most of this was precipitated on comments from the Fed and a good jobs report on Friday, but we've got a really big candle here. To the upside, AIs to the upside, algos are to the upside, structures to the upside. So I am going to stick with my forecast to sideways to up for Meta. Next up is Amazon, pretty much the same story, same situation almost. The all-time high for Amazon is way up here though, so we got a little bit of room to make before we get to that, but algos are up, AI is up, structure is up, sideways to up forecast for Amazon. Apple's still stuck in the mud, still recovering from losing the Chinese market and several key legal battles in Europe. So we've got mixed signals here. We've got structure to the downside, structure to the upside, algos to the upside. It's just a hot mess. So I'm going to stick with my forecast of sideways to down for Apple. Oh, by the way, it got downgraded by a couple analysts this week too. Netflix didn't do much this week. It kind of had a really small candle. Algos are still up, AI is still up, structure is still up, but I'm going to say sideways to down for Netflix is my forecast. I'm sticking to it. Google had a explosive move to the upside here, broke through the high. Looks like that's going to be resistance for now. This week's candle was down, down, down all week. I think they had an earnings report that wasn't so great, and AI still to the upside, structure still to the upside. So we got kind of mixed signals here. I'm still thinking sideways to up for Google. Euro USD pretty much doing what I expected it to, bouncing off this order pool. Structure still upside, algos are still up, but I'm saying sideways to down for the euro. Pound USD, pretty obvious, sideways, nothing's going to change there so far. Dollar Japanese yen, still slowly climbing to the upside. Here's the high right here at about 152. Let's see if she goes up there and bounces off again or breaks through. My forecast is continued movement to the upside. USD Swissy franc, still clearly a downward move, but we are temporarily moving up to pull back up to this order pool. I expect it to kind of bounce off of that. So for short term, sideways to up movement for the dollar franc. Cryptos, buy the rumor, sell the news, baby. The rumor was that there was going to be an ETF, and that came true. That caused all of this frenzy buying to the upside, and now that it is the news and not a rumor, everything's going sideways. I expect that to remain the same. Also the same thing for Ethereum and Litecoin. Sideways shuffle for those three. Precious metals, all-time high for gold here. Appears to be acting as resistance. We've got all kinds of mixed signals here, but I'm saying sideways to up for gold. Same holds true for silver. That's it for this week. Over and out from Bill. Introducing some new things for 2024. First of which is the FX Morning Mayhem podcast. What I'm going to do each morning is go over my sentiment for the marketplace, point out any significant news of the day, give you my top picks on my watch list, and then hopefully give you some tips and tricks on how you can improve your trading. If you like the FAANG report and the midweek market update, you should check out the Trade Faction. The Trade Faction is a Slack channel in which I post my trading plan for the day and go through my trades in detail. If you just want to learn about trading or hang out, you can come to the Trade Faction. Best thing about it, it's free. Just go to the website, click on the link, and join for free.